Do you know that most people today spend hours every single day watching short form content instead of long form content? Why? Because shorts are fast, addictive, entertaining, and saves time. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are pushing short form content more than ever because it gets massive engagement. That's exactly why clipping has become one of the easiest and the fastest way to make money online in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you how Whop clipping works, the best campaigns to join, and how to maximize your earnings. Stay with me till the end because I will also walk you through how to edit, and at the end I will reveal an AI tool that can help you edit clips 10 times faster. And the best part, you can do all of this just using your phone. If you have a laptop, it's also well and good. Just turn on your internet connection, then start clipping. First of all, what exactly is clipping? Clipping is the practice of taking short clips from longer content like live stream, YouTube videos, podcast, interviews, or music content and reposting them as short form videos on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and even X. These clips helps creators and brands get more exposure, more engagement, and even more followers. To start, head over to Google and search Whoop. Sign up using your Gmail account. It is completely free. Once you are in, you can click Start Clipping. Then scroll down to Content Reward Program. You will find a bunch of creators willing to pay you to create content for them. Now, if you are using a laptop, you can click Show All. But if you are using a phone, you can just scroll down. There are different types of campaigns that you will see here. When you click on all content type, you will see UGC and clipping. UGC means user generated content, meaning you create original content using your face or completely faceless like I am doing right now. Now, on the other hand, clipping means reusing existing content and turning it into viral short form videos. You will also see categories like music, gaming, entertainment, sports, education, and technology. Now let's click on music. There's here a campaign of music post UFC fight highlights featuring Quaylan. That is $496. The budget is $1,000. On the music category, we have another campaign of Be Mine. This is James Hype. The campaign has got $1.20 per AK view, and the platform is TikTok and Instagram alone. So when you get 1,000 views, you post them on Instagram and TikTok, you get $1.2. We have Medusa, the same James Hype. He wants his campaign you to only post on TikTok and Instagram. These are the campaigns that you don't need to join. I will tell you later in this video. Before joining any campaign, here are the main things that you should look for before joining any campaign. Number one is eligibility or eligible platforms. Check which platforms are accepted. Some campaigns only allow X, others allow Instagram, but the best campaign usually allows 3. That is TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Number 2 is CPM. CPM means how much you get paid per 1,000 views. Some campaigns pays $25 per 1,000 views. As you can see, this one, Adaptive AI. They need you to make a long form video. And we have another one that pays $25 per 1,000 views. We have other one that pays $7 per 1,000 views. So make sure to consider the CPM. Another thing to consider is remaining budget. Always check how much the budget campaign is. Avoid campaigns that are already 85 to 90% completed because budget may run out before you get paid. So make sure to join the campaigns that are still active and valid to join. Another thing to consider is approval process. Some campaigns have long wait lists, others allow you to join instantly and start clipping immediately. As a beginner, I recommend you to join campaigns without wait lists so that you can start making money faster. So we are going to click on this campaign. I'm turning into a vampire, for it supports TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So this is the instruction for this campaign. Clip viral moments from MSA. Show I am turning into a vampire. The content is built to hook. Find the twist, cut it tight. Get paid. Now these are the requirements. 40% tier 1 audience. US, Canada, Australia, and UK. Now on YouTube, the minimum amount of money you will get is $1.01, and the maximum is $250 on YouTube when you post this short viral clip on YouTube. Now on TikTok, the same, you will get $1.50 and a maximum of $250 on when you post this clip on TikTok. On X, you will get a maximum of $50. On Instagram, $250 maximum. And same on Facebook, when you post this viral clip from this, I am turning into a vampire. So these are top earners, Aaron and Steve Smith. So we are going to open the rules. We want to take this campaign live the way you are watching this video. Now these are the rules. The rules: platform TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Twitter. 40% plus tier 1 required. Content language English. Minimum length 10 seconds. And you only clip from this YouTube link that they have given us. No reposting, low quality content, no fake engagement or botted views. So this is the video that we need to clip from. So it has got 14 million views. It was posted 2 years ago. So what we are going to do is that we are going to copy the link. We are going to click on share button. Then we are going to copy the link from this video. So we are going to download the video using free from the net, save from the net. We are going to paste our URL here. And then we are going to click the download button. And we will have our video on our device. We are going to open ChatGPT and we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us the viral moments of this video. So this is the prompt that I'm going to give ChatGPT. Give me the viral timestamp of this video. Then ChatGPT will give me the viral timestamp. That is 8 to 9 minutes Magnus intro. Then I will ask ChatGPT to give me editing tips because I'm going to do it manually. So these are the editing tips that ChatGPT has given to me. So I will copy those prompts, then open my Google Docs, then paste it here so that I cannot forget those editing tips. So once I've pasted here, I will rename this dog edits so that I cannot forget it. Edits, yes. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to my video editor. This one is called Guru Video Editor. You can download it from Google Play Store and then install it into your phone. It is completely free. So I'm going to select the video that I downloaded from YouTube, and because we want this one to be a viral video, I'm going to choose my background here. I'm going to choose to click on my background, and the aspect ratio that I'm going to choose is that one of TikTok. That is 9:16. And I'm going to use my fingers to pan so that it can fit the screen of 9:16. Again, I'm going to find the viral areas that ChatGPT told me, and that is around 8 minutes to 9 minutes. So I'm scrolling to find somewhere 8 minutes, the intro of Magnus, 8 minutes. Then I will start my editing from 8 minutes there. Now let me click from here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to edit and to cut the unwanted part, and I'm going to delete it so that I can just remain with my footage from 8 minutes to 9 minutes. This is where I'm going to concentrate. As you can see, I'm editing this video live using Video Guru editor. As you can see, now I've completed editing my video and it is time to export. So I'm just clicking export, and this Video Guru is converting my video into MP4. Sorry for the noise. Now my video is almost ready. It is 90, 91, 92, 95, 100. Now my video is already. Is almost ready. No, my video is ready. Now this is the video that I will be posting on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and X. Clipping is just as simple as that. You just edit, post on those social media posts, then you get paid. As long as you get 1,000 views plus, then you get paid. Anyone can do, just an internet connection, a smartphone, and a willingness to just edit these videos. As I promised you in the beginning of this video, that I will show you one AI tool that can convert longer videos 10 times faster into shorter viral clips. And this one is called Opus Clip. You can sign up for free using your email address and then start creating viral videos. Now I'm signing up using my email and my free trial has started. So I'm going to click start clipping right now. Now you can clip long to short. We have AI captions, video editor, enhanced speed, AI reframe, AI B-rolls. For me, I'm going to click on long to shorts. Remember, this is live. I'm showing you live. So I'm uploading that video that I downloaded from YouTube that I am turning into a vampire video. Now let me wait for seconds. Now my video is almost ready. I'm turning into a vampire episode 1. So this AI is going to find viral clips from this video, and boom, my viral video is already. Now this is the video that I have created using this AI. Let me watch it. Very fantastic. And we have green wordings, huge wordings, best wordings. When you compare this one with my video that I made, I think this one can go viral and it can catch the attention of the viewers. When you compare this one with the first one that I edited, I think this one can go viral more faster than the one that I created manually. And while here you can publish on your social media, you can download, you can edit any clip here, and you can enhance even your speech. So I'm going to download this video, and this is my final result. As you can see, very best, good captions, attracting, camera moves. This one I actually can perform well and go viral and bring more money. Now to remove the watermark, you can subscribe to their monthly subscription to use their premium features. And you can use the link in the description to get straight to this Whop's clip. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload this video to TikTok. And before you upload it to TikTok, make sure to upload to other social medias such as YouTube, X, Facebook, and Instagram. Why? Because when you upload this file on TikTok, TikTok will put their watermark on your file so that you cannot share to other platforms. So make sure to upload to other platforms. Then finally, you will finish it with TikTok. Give it the best title according to the rules. Then make sure to include those hashtags. Then click post. Now, once you have finished doing that, these are the instructions. You must submit your video within 30 minutes of posting via Whop. You must include audience demographic screenshot, 40% Tier 1 audience required, and payment are done via content reward. So if you have enjoyed this video, please comment below. I'm going to clip, and also like this video. When you like this video, it helps the algorithm to push this video to those people who want to make money online. And also subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you cannot miss our opportunities to make money online. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.